Through the tri-oval they go. 1 lap to go. Presented by Credit One Bank.
Oh, he almost spun the 12. Herbst get to the back of Blaney.
That cleared Harvick. Harvick is clear of the 12. Now he's got to have to block both lanes.
The 12's going to have a little momentum here. I think Harvick can hop back in front of the 12. Big run coming. The 12 to the inside.
Shuffles the 4 out. Now Blaney and Harvick down the backstretch for the final time and into turn 3. Blaney with a push from the 24 of Byron. Here comes Harvick on the outside. Can the 36 get to the back bumper of the 4 and give him a big push? Momentum coming. They're side by side through the tri-oval. Blaney, Harvick, Blaney,
Attention, this is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. NORAD has detected the launch of 3 missiles headed towards the United States within the next 25 minutes. The missiles were launched by North Korea and are believed to be carrying nuclear warheads. The destinations of the missiles are unknown at this time. All citizens are advised to seek the nearest fallout shelter immediately. If you cannot find a fallout shelter, seek the lowest and most interior floor of your building. Lock all doors, shut all windows, turn any heating or air conditioning units off, and separate yourself from the outside world as much as possible to keep yourself from being exposed to fallout. Fallout is a product of a nuclear explosion. Exposure to it is extremely dangerous and fatal. Be sure to keep food, water, and clothing for each member of the family for the next 14 days. Be sure to keep a battery-powered radio and extra batteries with you. Tune to your local radio station for news and updates regarding this event, as cable and satellite television may be disabled or destroyed during the explosion. Medical and law enforcement services will be unavailable once the explosion occurs. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. You are listening to KABC TV. We will continue to serve the Los Angeles area. If you are not in this local area, tune to the radio station providing news and updates for your local area. This is the emergency alert system. All broadcasts shall transmit this message. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snowfall for the following counties. In Illinois, Cook County, DuPage County, Grundy County, Kane County, Kendall County, Lake County, McHenry County, and Will County. In Indiana, Lake County, Newton County, and Porter County. This winter storm warning is in effect from 10 p.m. this evening till 5:30 p.m. Saturday afternoon. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Event: heavy snow with possible sleet throughout the night. Timing: from late Friday night to late Saturday afternoon. Accumulation: snowfall between 5 to 10 inches. Temperatures dropping to as low as 6 degrees Fahrenheit. Impact: snow and ice-covered roads will impact the daily commute Saturday morning. A winter storm warning is now in effect. You are listening to the emergency alert system. You may now resume normal programming.